A documented story of one of the world's most luxurious resorts in Singapore, Marina Bay Sands Hotel, is one of the two winning proposals for Singapore's first integrated resort, and the other being the Resorts World Sentosa, which incorporates a family-friendly Universal Studios theme park. The two large-scale resorts were conceived to meet Singapore's economic and tourism objectives for the next decade and will have a 30-year casino license, exclusive for the first 10 years. Bidders were assessed based on 4 criteria: tourism appeal and contribution, architectural concept and design, development investment, and strength of the consortium and partners. On 27th May 2006, Las Vegas Sands, LVS, was declared the winner with its business-oriented resort. LVS submitted its winning bid on its own, and its original partner City Development Limited (CDL), with a proposed 15% equity stake, pulled out of the partnership in the second phase of the tender process. CDL CEO Kwek Leng Beng said his company's pullout was a combination of factors, such as difficulties in getting numerous companies he owns to comply with time, as well as reluctance of some parties to disclose certain private information in property checks required by the Singapore government. However, Kwek was retained as an advisor for SANDS' bid. Design and construction. The resort is designed by Moshe Safdie, who says it was initially inspired by card decks. The prominent feature of the design is the 3 hotel towers, which has 2,500 rooms and suites, and a continuous lobby at the base linking the 3 towers. The casino has a 4-story central atrium with 4 levels of gaming and entertainment in one space. In addition to the hotel and the casino, other buildings include a 19,000-meter-square art science museum and a convention center with 110,000 meters square of space, capable of accommodating up to 45,000 people. The resort's architecture and major design changes along the way were also approved by its Feng Shui consultants, the late Chong Swan Lek and Louisa Ong Lee. Adeas, a leading international architecture and design practice, were responsible for employing all consultants and for developing, coordinating, and implementing the design. The structural engineering for the project was handled by ARUP with Parsons, Brink-Herkhoff, and MEP engineers. The main contractor was SsangYong Engineering and Construction. The 3 towers are borders at the base and narrow as they rise. Each tower has 2 asymmetric legs, with a curved eastern leg leaning against the other, creating a significant technical challenge in its construction. Substantial temporary structures were necessary to support the legs of the tower while they were under construction, and required real-time monitoring for continual assessment and analysis in the course of their erection. A distinctive feature of the hotel is the SkyPark, a 3-acre park on top of the building with swimming pools, gardens, and jogging paths. The structure bridges all 3 towers with a segment cantilevered off the North Tower. The whole of the SkyPark was prefabricated off-site in 4 separate steel sections and then assembled on top of the towers. There are 4 movement joints beneath the main pools, designed to help them withstand the natural motion of the towers, and each joint has a unique range of motion. The total range of motion is 500 millimeters. In addition to wind, the hotel towers are also subject to settlement in the earth over time, so engineers built and installed custom jack legs to allow for future adjustment at more than 500 points beneath the pool system. This jacking system is important primarily to ensure the infinity edge of the pool continues to function properly. Opening. Marina Bay Sands was originally planned to be completed in a single phase in 2009, but rising construction costs and the financial crisis forced the company to open in phases. The first phase preview opening was further delayed until 27th April 2010, and the official opening was pushed back at 23rd June 2010. The rest of the complex remained under construction and was opened after a grand opening on 17th February 2011. On 27th April 2010, Marina Bay Sands had the first of a planned 3 to 4 phase openings. The casino, parts of the conference hall, a segment of the shops, 963 hotel rooms, and the events plaza were opened at the auspicious time of 3:18 p.m. as the preview opening. The Inter-Pacific Bar Association (IPBA) held the first conference at Marina Bay Sands Convention Center on the 2nd to 5th May 2010, but the event was marred by uncompleted facilities and power failure during a speech. On 23rd June 2010, the resort had its official opening with a 2-day celebration. This includes the SANDS SkyPark, the events plaza along Marina Bay, more shops, additional dining options, and nightlife offerings, and the rest of the hotel rooms. First day event included a World Championship climb on the glass facade of the building to the SkyPark, with 7 teams of 21 top rock climbers from around the world competing, and an evening concert for 4,000 invited guests and customers, featuring 1 international rapper, Kelly Rowland, and 1 national contemporary R&B singer, Sylvia Ratinel. The SkyPark was opened on the second day at 2 p.m. with about 2,000 adult tickets costing 20 Singapore dollars each sold. The Sand Theatre was completed in time for the first performance by Riverdance on the 30th November 2010. The Art Science Museum opened its doors to the public at 10 a.m. on the 19th February 2011. The floating pavilions were opened when the tenants Louis Vuitton and Pangaea Club finished their refurbishment and opened on the 18th September and 22nd September 2011 respectively. Facilities. Marina Bay Sands has 3 55-story hotel towers which were topped out in July 2009. The 3 towers are connected by 1 hectare roof terrace, SANDS SkyPark. The observation deck provides panoramic views across the bay. In front of the three towers, they include the theatre block for performances, the convention and exhibition facilities block, as well as the casino block, which has 1,000 gaming tables and 1,400 slot machines. To enter the casino, Singaporeans and permanent residents have to pay a 150 Singapore dollar fee for a one-time entry and a 2,000 Singapore dollar fee for an annual pass. The fee was changed on the 4th of April 2019 to 150 Singapore dollar fee for a one-time visit and 3,000 Singapore dollar for yearly visits. The Art Science Museum is constructed next to the three blocks and has the shape of a lotus. Its roof is retractable, providing a waterfall through the roof of collected rainwater when closed in the day and laser shows when opened at night. In front of the events plaza is Wonder Fall, a light and water show that is the largest in Southeast Asia and was produced by Laser Vision. The Art Science Museum and Wonderful Show opened on the 17th of February 2011. Attraction. Wonderful is a nighttime multimedia show displayed by Marina Bay Sands. It is designed by the Australian multimedia company Laser Vision and incorporated various laser vision technology such as the stellar ray. The show starts off with a single drop of water representing the birth of life. It later stages through important stages of a person's life, such as childhood, development through age and adulthood. This is the history book.